Divorce is not just an emotional upheaval, it's a financial earthquake. At Davies Wealth Management, we know that navigating your finances post divorce is crucial to rebuilding your life. Start by reassessing your financial landscape. Conduct a thorough inventory of assets and debts to lay the groundwork for your new financial plan. Did you know 22% of divorces are due to money issues? Avoid future conflicts by understanding your financial position. Next, revise your budget to reflect your new reality. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Don't overlook tax implications. Your filing status and liabilities might have changed. Regularly review your financial situation to stay on top of changes. Rebuild your financial safety net by establishing an emergency fund and reassessing insurance coverage. Update beneficiary designations to prevent unintended asset distribution. Seek professional guidance to tailor a plan that fits your unique needs. Finally, craft a financial roadmap with new goals. Adjust your retirement strategy and investment plans to align with your post-divorce life. Remember, your financial journey is unique. Take control, set new goals, and build a secure future with confidence.